Today we are going to discuss a short story, The Clockmaker's Secret. So the story began in a small town full of livelihood with rolling hills and dense forest. There once lived an old clockmaker named Jack. His workshop is a small cottage filled with many small parts of clocks. Jack was known for his unmatched skills. Townfolk claims that his clocks are the best, but no one truly understands the mystery behind his craftsmanship. One winter evening with snowflakes everywhere, a young girl knocks at his door, carrying a broken pocket watch that belongs to her father. The young girl with tears asks the old man to fix the pocket watch. The old man examined the clock and told the girl to come back tomorrow. After the girl left, the old clockmaker started to study the clock with concentration. Jack placed the pocket watch under a glass dome. Jack started to work magical spells on the pocket watch. Soon, after some time, the gears of the watch comes to life and were brand new. Next morning, the girl returned. Jack handed the pocket watch as gleaming as brand new. The girl held the pocket watch in her hands, and to her astonishment, the image of her father holding her in his arms, taking her for a walk towards the field in the town, the image of her father taking care of her beloved daughter, and at last the memories they spent together, and the girl can now experience those beautiful memories with her father. Jack told the girl that it is not an ordinary watch now, and this watch holds the memories of her late father. The girl, in tears, hugged Jack and thanked him for his act of love and kindness towards her. The words of Jack's miraculous words spread in the town, but when the others come seeking his secret, they find the empty shop with some fixed clocks and hangings. In the end, Jack vanished, leaving the tick-tock of the clocks behind and the memories it holds in it. The story told us that life is indeed full of magic and endless miracles. Do subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.